May ipupulong ako sa'yo. Maganda rin bigayan dito.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Kamusta kayo dyan? Vlog number 8 na tayo. And for today's topic, I'll be sharing kung saan ko nilalagay ang ibang allocation ko ng funds for my future plans. May kasabihan nga, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Kaya let's talk about diversifying your funds and making the most out of your savings. Kung ready na kayo, pull ahead! So guys, isa din ito sa pinagkakatiwalaan kong digital banks tulad ni Cbank. I also take advantage of their high interest rate since nag-operate sila sa Pilipinas. Introducing GoTime Bank! Now, let's do a quick background check. Sino nga ba ang nasa likod ng GoTime Bank? It's the GoTongwei Group. Isa sila sa may mamalaking businesses sa Pilipinas and they form a joint venture with South African on Time Bank. And voila! GoTime Bank was born. And the key points, PDIC member? Check. BSP registered? Check. Competitive din ito when it comes to interest rates. When they first launched in 2022, they were offering 5% per annum sa mga clients nila. Pero syempre, business is business, bumaba rin sila ng 4% per annum. Pero wait, may special offer sila this month. Since they reached 5 million users, they are giving 5% per annum again this February. So grab this opportunity while it's here.
Amazing!
What I really love about GoTime, yung feature nila na GoSave na parang stashes. Dito, pwede mong hati-hatiin yung allocation ng funds mo into different categories in one place. Mas madali kasi you can name each GoSave according to your plans. Each GoSave can earn 4% per annum paid monthly to your GoSave account. Withholding tax applies ha. Meron din silang USD savings account dito. Mataas din ang bigayan ng interest rate compared to local bank. Although, hindi ko pa siya na-try, kaya skip muna natin to. Pero if interested kayo, you can check this out. Very convenient din ito, lalo na kung magta-transfer ka ng funds or magbabayad ng bills. Kahit nasa ibang bansa ka or nasa barko ka, makakapag-transfer ka pa rin. Gamit lang ang usual password mo. No need for OTP. They also offer physical Visa debit card. Kung kailangan mo ng cash, pwede ka mag-withdraw from any ATM machine. Oo nga pala, nagamit din namin ito nung nag-Hong Kong kami. I also use GoTime to pay for my bills because they have Go Rewards points that you can use for transfer fees or even to pay for bills. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Magkano na nga ba ang net interest na naipon ko sa GoTime? Tumataginting lang naman na 5,223.78. Not bad, right? Kung sa traditional banks ko kaya nailagay yan. Do you think kikita ako ng ganyang kalaki? I don't think so. GoTime, baka naman. Paggalawin mo naman yung baso. Oo nga pala, if you want to get your free Visa debit card, you can pick it up at any Robinsons Mall kiosk. Don't worry, may mga friendly ambassadors doon to assist you in processing your card. So kung naghahanap ka ng place to park your extra funds, maybe you should consider GoTime Bank. And it's a great option for saving and growing your money. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At kung alam mo makakatulong to sa kanila, share mo na rin at para mapansin tayo ni YouTube at ma-recommend sa iba. So yun lang, take care and be safe dahil may nag-aantay sa pag-uwi natin. And always remember, money is just a tool. Creating a better life is our end goal. Aja!
Like, comment, and subscribe.